Alright, it's Sunday morning. Actually, it's not really Sunday morning. What am I talking about? It's Sunday afternoon. And here's what I'm going to do today. Or at least this is my attempt. I'm going to get these motor mounts finished. Which means I need to cut a piece. I need to do some trimming and then cut a piece to weld in there. I need to do a little trimming and do the same thing there and then weld the mount in place. So I'm going to do that. And it could use some painting. This piece needs to be painted. I think I have enough paint to do that. I just need to scuff it up, probably prime it. It's a beautiful day today. It's not very hot. Not very hot, but I'm going to work inside anyway. That's what I think. Another thing I'd like to do is iron out my oil pump pickup, but we'll see how she goes. We'll see where the day takes us. One thing I could do without much trouble is put the motor mounts from this mock-up engine on the real engine. But let's see how it goes here. Alright, so what I've asked Mrshevyshevy to do here, if she can handle it, is to replace the handle on my whatchamadinger there.
If she can handle it.
She can handle it. See, I was trying to use this yesterday, and I was gonna linseed oil it, but see, it's all broke and nasty. So I had bought them handles at a flea market. This old man was making handles and I bought a bunch of them. They're not perfect. Not sure why I bought them, come to think of it, but anyways, he was trying to make some money, so I bought them. I think we can fix that with a little epoxy. So she's going to clean that up. She's going to remove the old handle from the hammerhead, so to speak, here, and install the new one. And then we're going to linseed oil it up and make it nice, so it can be seen in my shop. What's that?
So it could be seen in your shop.
That's right. About to get it?
Got it.
Alright.
Nice and smooth.
Alright, now you just got to remove that one. Do you have any idea how you're going to do it?
Yeah.
Alright, prove it. You know them are the rocker arms for that LS motor?
Thanks.
Might as well keep going now.
You done told yourself that to do.
Well, when I was telling myself that, why didn't you listen?
I didn't think about it, cause
Okay. Alright, here's what I gotta do. I gotta trim up some of this stuff and probably do a little fabricating and get ready to weld. Huh? Let me see the bit. Are you turning it backwards or something?
No.
That should go right through there.
You must have just did that.
I did not.
I had it going forward.
Well, look here. I'm telling you.
I know which way it is.
Look how smoothly and professionally she did that. What size grinder did you say that was?
A man-sized grinder.
Don't you think that's not PC, not a very PC comment?
I don't really give a rat's.
What? Rats what?
Exactly.
Well, you handled it just fine.
Yeah.
Don't hand it to me, I got my hands full. Alright, I made a couple templates out of cardboard here to fill them gaping holes. I got one cut out right there from a piece of pipe. I'll probably have to tweak its shape a little bit. And I've just laid out another one on that piece of pipe, and I'm going to cut it out with my little grinder right there. See if it works better with a better wood blade. Alright, show the people how you got the head on there. The hammer head. Too bad you marred up my finish there, but I guess it'll be alright. Now she's fitting to put linseed oil on it after she cleans it up one more time. Oh yeah, and I got that piece ready to go. It's hard to do one-handed, but it fits. If I can find it on the floor. Alright, I gotta get the other one ready.
Oh.
Wow, that looks nice, eh? I think we can put that in my shop now.
Yeah. Good thing.
Hey, I got a couple more. Actually, I got a lot more. Like 15. I think it looks pretty sweet.
Pretty.
Maybe you should go in the hammer restoration business.
People don't care what their tools look like, do they?
Yeah, some people get surgery. I even went and found the axe. That needs some work. Somebody leaves the axe out laying around. Alright, now that I've got all that stuff made, I'm going to go ahead and weld it up. Okay? I had to do it, but I didn't want to. I had to open the door and let my cool air out. Almost said heat. Heat in, cool out, to let the smoke out. Smoky on account of the welding over here. I got my motor mounts done. I might dress them up just a little bit and make sure I didn't get the weld too high. And I think it's going to be okay. We can get that painted. I think the chassis is done. And then we got to set that floor pan back up here. I think we'll do that. I think we'll do that tonight before we quit. And then the next chore will be to finish the transmission tunnel. And then, as I can, put the motor together and then get the body in here and get it set on the chassis. Well, it's long about 3 o'clock and it's Father's Day. So I think I'm gonna quit pretty soon. To celebrate, I gotta cook.
You ain't gotta. I said I would cook and you wanted to cook, but I did help prepare some sides.
She done good. I just gotta, get a rise out of her. You know how it is. So happy Father's Day to y'all. Think about it. I learned a lot from my father, that's for sure. Things to do and things not to do, and we can all learn from our fathers. So there, big block, LS. Small block. Anyway, it's Father's Day. It's along about 3 o'clock. Mrshevyshevy is probably closing in on hammer type tool number 6 or 7. Used up a whole piece of stainless steel. She ain't no cheap date, I'm telling you. And so to celebrate, I'm gonna quit early. And I might go down and soak in our Walmart pool a little bit, and then go take a shower, and then I'm gonna cook something. Well, it is a Walmart pool. It's not like one of them rich and famous people's ones.
Well, we're not rich and famous.
You got that right.
We got the Walmart pool.
But I do have a lot of.
The best of both worlds.
I do have a lot of tools and old cars. So.
Walmart pool.
Yeah, in a Walmart pool.
That's done just fine over the last couple of years.
Yeah. I don't even think we bought it at Walmart. We bought it used, didn't we?
I bought it used secondhand for $40. I'm not complaining. And it's lasted us 2 years. go.
Well, since she's so busy straightening me out, I'm going to ring the bell. Thanks for watching, y'all. Please don't forget to go to Mrshevyshevy.com where you can buy a cool hat like this one over here.
T-shirt.
Support your local hack. There's shorts even in there if you need a pair of shorts. So go ahead, get you some.
Keep them for your girlfriends and your wife, please. Don't.
Get them for whoever you want to. I don't care. Get them for your neighbors. And yeah, do that. All right, I know when to shut up. Happy Father's Day. See ya. You know, speaking of fathers, I learned a lot from my father. You know, when I was a kid, he always had me with him working on stuff. It wasn't hot rods and stuff like that. It was an old 77 Plymouth Fury with the gas tank fell off. And an international truck changing the starter where you had to turn it one little bitty turn and flip the wrench and you name it. And I kind of hated that stuff when I was a kid, but I learned a lot. So, anyway, think of your dads. Right, babe?